Market overview and portfolio breakdown, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in town today. We're going to start with the Forex market. Not too busy on this front. We've had a lot of success with the Aussie Canadian on that huge nosedive straight to the target, 88.59 to the T. Beautiful move, probably the trade of the month, maybe even the trade of the year. I have to check that. But it was beautiful, and now we're jumping. It's kind of a natural segue to Aussie Swiss. Very similar, correlation-wise assets, and similar behavior. Take a look at the Aussie Swiss with its own huge pullback, but this time this thing is coming off the bottom, 85.32. So we're pulling the trigger with a new bullish campaign. Trying to catch the tipping point here is going to lead into an upside reversal back to 58.50. All about this in the main video today in the Forex section. And then we have the second position, which is doing pretty well. So the dollar Canadian, we're already taking profit. We had two trades here. We took the first one, the higher one, out once price section hit 37.67 and pulled back a little bit. Now it seems to be trapped right in between 37.85 from above. You can see it's kind of testing both from above. It tested 37.67 yesterday. Today it's testing 37.85 from below, right? So it's trapped in between. I think it should continue breaking below 37.67 in the next attempt. That's where we're going to get more back to being more aggressive with this position. But for now, we're cutting position by half, taking profit, securing 50% of the position with some profit, and moving stop loss level from 39.50, I believe it was, to 38.55. So it's a significant adjustment for the stop loss level just as well. All right, these are the two positions we have in the market right now. We're also looking at the silver being the next candidate. Here we expect pricing to pull back just before the weekend above 27.71, and if that happens, boom, we got the green light to proceed. We're gonna jump into a bullish campaign, trying to chase 31.55 here at the top. Time will tell. For now, we're on the back seat as far as this one goes. We only have two active positions, as I've mentioned. Let's quickly switch to the cryptocurrency market. That's where the real stuff is happening. Super excited about what's happening in the cryptocurrency market lately, and this had become over time our main market to deal with, to work with. Most of our, I'd say 80% of the weight of our capital sits in the Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. In the last year, for good reason. We're doing really well here. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Main video today was about the Bitcoin, but it's a beautiful breakout above 56,370, and that gives us confidence. We double up our position size. We fished this one right from the bottom as it was hitting 52,380, and this one is back and forth in this defined range ever since March. All about the situation on the Bitcoin. Go ahead, check out the today's main video in the cryptocurrency section. We have 4 active positions here, guys. We did really well. We did phenomenally well with the Ripple on the downside. Remember that one to 45. Here we just sniped this one. Amazing. It was an amazing position, but we quickly flipped over right as it was pulling back. We fired off a new bullish campaign. We got 25K here, but we got another 100K on the second account. So we got 125K on the Ripple right now. Now what we need to see is a crossover above 55.70. That's crucial. We already have the support coming from 50.47. That kicked in, and you can see the impact on price action pulling back up. Now we just need a crossover over 51.70. Once we get that, we know price action is back into the range, and what I'm talking about, the purple range now, that's the short-term system we're dealing with here, not the blue, not the black, not the blue, but the purple. Once price action cross over 51.70, the purple is going to be activated, and price action is going to probably push all the way up to 61.40. That's where our official target is. So yeah, that's the Ripple. So we got the Bitcoin, we got the Ripple, we got the Litecoin, right? With a huge pullback off of 55.08. 55.08 is a massive support level, guys. Take a look at the monthly chart here. Check this out. This level has been playing a huge role ever since March 2023. A year and a half now. Take a look at this huge pullback right off 55.08, suggesting a full-fledged upside reversal on the large scale. Now we already fired off 2 trades, right? 2 trades. We're chasing for now 74. That's the secondary target, and later down the road, much later probably, we're going to be talking about 95.25. Last but not least is the Ethereum. Here, guys, we've had a huge drop. Two levels are playing an important role here. It's the 23.39, the blue one, and 25.13. Both of these levels are putting up a fight. Now we can see price action is pulling off nicely off of 23.39. But it's still kind of struggling to push over 25.13. I think it's happening. It's happening right now as we speak. And by the end of the month, rest assured it's going to stay above these 2 levels. And then the upside reversal will start to kick in higher gear. But for now, we're also watching the weekly. We want to see it parking above 25.13 by the end of the week, not just by the end of the month. Last but not least, we want to see on the daily, we want to see the crossover over 25.13 as soon as possible, and then we'll get even more aggressive. Now we still have 2 trades in, but it's still early stages, and we're kind of playing it out slow. As far as stop loss level go, 1950. That's our stop loss level, 1950. Once price action establishes itself above 25.13 and start to turn around, we're going to start adjusting our stop loss level accordingly. All right, guys, so there you go. 4 active positions in the cryptocurrency market. We got a lot on our plate. It's super interesting here. We're going to be coming back for this for sure. We're keeping you posted, of course. And we also got two active positions in the Forex market. So altogether 6 active positions. That's about that for the day. Hope you enjoyed this one. Wishing you a nice trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. So till then, be well.